Okay, good morning everyone. In the previous classes, discussion about what is the statement of Ohm's law and explanation how to prove the Ohm's law and what is the limitations of Ohm's law. And one more concept is resistance. What is the factors of resistance? What is the meaning of resistivity? What is the SI in it? What is the formula and explanation? And what is the graphs of a resistivity versus and temperature of a semiconductors and copper wire and nichrome wire? Hmm? In this class, today we will discussion about conductance. What is the meaning of conductance? The symbol of the conductance is capital G. The reciprocal of a resistance is called conductance. The resistance means the flow of a charges. It is a electronic device. The potential difference or acting unit current is called resistance. That is the R is equal to V by I. According to this formula is Ohm's law. That means the conductance means the reciprocal of a resistance is called conductance. The SI unit, what is the SI unit of conductance? It is a conductance, it is a physical quantity. The unit of resistance is ohm, the 1 by ohm or ohm inverse. That is the SI unit of conductance. And next one is conductivity. Symbol is sigma. The conductivity, that is sigma. The conductivity means it is also physical quantity and that is also derived quantity. The reciprocal of a resistivity, that is the symbol of resistivity is rho. The resistivity means the resistance of a conductor acting for unit length, acting for unit area, that is called resistivity. The unit of resistivity means the resistance unit of a resistance is ohm, the unit of area is meter square, the unit of length is meter, meter get cancelled, that is a ohm meter. See, what is the SI unit of conductivity? 1 divided by the unit of resistivity is ohm meter or ohm inverse meter inverse. That is the concept of conductivity. The conductivity means it is a symbol is sigma. The conductivity is defined as the reciprocal of a resistivity is called conductivity. The SI unit of a conductivity is ohm inverse meter inverse or Siemen, Siemen, Siemen per meter. Siemen per meter. That is the concept of conductivity. That is a SI unit and definition both are important. One more question. And what is the relations between current density, symbol is capital J, and conductivity, symbol is sigma? Derive the relations between current density and conductivity. How to derive? That is the relation between current density and conductivity is, that is the final equation is J is equal to sigma E. That is the final equation. How to show that? Show that the sigma is equal to J is equal to sigma E. Current density must be is equal to product of conductivity and electric field. How to derive? First, to draw the one conductor. This is called conductor. The total length of a conductor is taken as small l. It is a conductor is consist of two ends. one end is connected to the positive of the battery, other end is connected to the negative of the battery. It is a battery. Potential difference means battery. The current flowing through this conductor is, that is capital I. The presence of electric field is, that is E. E is a electron. The direction of the electron is, that is a VD. In presence of electric field is E. The area of each end of a conductor is A and A. There are conductor is consist of two ends. Each end of a area of cross section is capital A and capital A. That is the explanation. How to derive? What is the relation between current density and electric field? See, the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length. The resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to area. Combining these two equations, R is proportional to L by A. When I remove the proportionality, that is called R is equal to sigma L by A. R is equal to sigma L by A. According to the Ohm's law. According to the Ohm's law states that, what is the statement of Ohm's law? The constant temperature, the current flowing through this conductors is directly proportional to potential difference. That is, V is proportional to what? V is proportional to I, or V is equal to Ri. The R is a constant, that is called resistance. That is according to Ohm's law. V is equal to Ri. Find the value of current. The current is equal to V by R. V by R. In previous equation is called resistance is, that is equation number 1. That is called equation number 2. The equation 1 is substitute equation number 2. The equation 1 in equation number 2 we get. What is the equation number 2? That is, therefore current is equal to V divided by the resistance is rho L by area, or I is equal to VA by rho L. Rho L. And I is as it is same position. The product of area is shifted left side. That is a reciprocal of a area. Current by area equal to the potential difference is as it is. V by L is as it is. That is a 1 ton. And the reciprocal of a resistivity is the 1 ton. The capital A, the area of cross section is, it is a product term. It is connected, shifted left side. That is a reciprocal of a area. V by L is called 1 ton. Reciprocal of a resistivity is called 1 ton. But the current for unit area is called current density. That is called current density. Current density. The V by L, rate of change of velocity, that is called what? Electric field line. The V by L is called electric field. Potential difference. The reciprocal of a resistive, that is called electric field. Electric field. And the reciprocal of a resistivity is called conductivity. Conductivity. These all three terms, current density, electric field, and conductivity. Substitute these values in above equation number 3. Equation number 3. The current acting for unit area is called current density, that is J. The reciprocal of a 1 by rho or V by L, the ratios of V by L is called electric field line. The reciprocal of a resistivity is called conductivity, or J is equal to sigma E. This is the expression for current the relation between, this is also an expression for current, what, current density, or J is the current density, sigma is the conductivity, E is called electric field. That is the relation between current density and conductivity. Current density and conductivity. One more second. Show that is J is equal to sigma E, or derive the relation between current density and conductivity. That is a 3-mark question, is very important. 3-mark question. First, draw the conductor. Consider the length of a conductor is L. The area of each end of a conductor is capital A. It is the two ends are connected to the battery. One end is connected to positive of the battery, other end is connected to the negative of the battery. The current flowing through this conductor is capital I. The presence of electric field energy, it moves one end to other end. The speed of the electron is, that is called drift velocity. The presence of electric field is E. That is the explanation. In this diagram shows the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length and inversely proportional to area, or is proportional to L, or is proportional to 1 by A. Combining these two equations, or is proportional to L by A. When you remove the proportionality, we will get rho. Rho is a constant, that is called resistivity. Rho L by A, that is called equation number 1. The resistivity means the resistance of a conductor is the resistance of a conductor acting for unit length for unit area is called resistivity. According to Ohm's law, what is the statement? V is proportional to I. When a current flowing through the conductor is directly proportional to potential difference, V is proportional to I, that is V is equal to Ri. Or find the value of I is equal to V by R, that is called equation number 2. The equation number 1 is, that is the equation number 1 is called resistant value. That value is substitute equation number 2. That is equation number 2 is rho L by A. Or simplify this equation, I is equal to VA rho L, VA by rho L. The area of cross section is shifted left side, that is the 1 turn, I by A. And V by L, that is the 1 turn. And remaining is 1 by rho. But the I by A, the current acting for unit area is called current density, that is J. The potential difference acting for unit length is called electric field. The reciprocal of a resistivity is called conductivity. That is the relation. This relation is substituted in equation number 3. That is finally we will get J is equal to sigma E. J is the current density, sigma is a conductivity, E is called electric field line. This is the relation between, that is the current density and conductivity. Very important 5 marks question, or sometimes asking 3 marks question. And one more derivation is there. What is the expression for conductivity of a material in terms of relaxation time? Derive the expression for conductivity of a material in terms of time. See, the conductivity symbol is sigma. The time, relaxation time is tau, t, small t, capital T. This is the time. How to derive? See, as it is the conductor, same diagram, as it is same diagram and same explanation. Find the sigma value. Sigma is called conductivity. Same. First to draw the one conductor. What is the length of a conductor? What is the area of the conductor? The two ends. The conductor is consist of two ends. One end is connected to the positive of the potential difference. Other end is connected to the negative of the potential difference. The electrons are traveling one end to other end. That is the speed of the each electron is drift velocity. The presence of electric field is E. That is the diagram and explanation. In this diagram shows in the previous classes already derived in the current in a conductor. Current in a conductor. What is the expression for current in a conductor? The symbol of the current is capital I. The each end of a conductor, the area of a conductor is, that is capital A. Small n is the density of the conductor, density of the electron. E is the charge of the electron, and Vd, presence of the direction of the electron, is Vd. That is called equation number 1. The first write the current in a conductor, that is I is equal to ENEVD. That is called what? Current in a conductor. Or the area of the conductor is shifted left side, that is current acting for unit area remaining NEVD. But Vd is called drift velocity. What is the drift velocity of a in the conductor? The drift velocity of a conductor is the charge of a electron, the presence of electric field line, the mass of the electron, and time. That is called drift velocity equation. This is called drift velocity. Drift velocity. Mention the drift velocity formula. Therefore, the current for unit area is equal to NE. Write the formula of drift velocity, that is E by M into tau. Simplify. I by A is equal to N is as it is, E into E square E by M into relaxation time. Relaxation time. But the current for unit area is called current density, that is J is equal to the E is take outside, the time is take inside, bracket of the inside, that is the NE square tau by M into electric field. But the electric field is defined as what is the electric field? That is a electric field means it is a force acting for unit positive charge. Force acting for unit positive charge, that is the electric field. The J is a current density. See, the relations between current density and conductivity. What is the relation in the previous direction? That is J is equal to sigma E. J is equal to sigma E. Substitute the value. The J can be written as sigma E is equal to NE square tau by M into E. The both sides of electric field get cancelled. Both sides of a electric field get cancelled. Finally, we'll get the conductivity is equal to NE square tau, NE square time by mass. This is the expression for conductivity in terms of relaxation time, or derive the expression for conductivity of a material, where sigma is called conductivity, the N is called density, E is called charge of the electron, T is called time, M is the mass of each electron. Mass of a electron. Once again, what is the derivative? That is a 5 marks question is important. 5 mark. Very important. 5 mark. Your examination purpose, this derivation is important. First, how to derive the expression for conductivity of a material, and what is the relation between the conductivity and relaxation time. First, to draw the one conductor. The conductor is consist of two ends. The each end of a area is capital A. The length of the conductor is L. The presence of electric field N is E. The electrons travels one end to other end. The speed of the each electron is Vd. The one end is connected to the positive of the battery. The other end is connected to the negative of the battery. The current flowing through this conductor is capital I. Capital I. In the previous class already derived it. What is the expression for current in a conductor? The current in a conductor means there is I is equal to ANEVD. ANEVD, that is called equation number 1. The area is shifted, that's left side, that is I by A equal to NEVD. VD is called drift velocity. But the earlier classes already discussion about that is the VD, drift velocity equation. E, small e, capital E by M into time. I by A equal to NE. The drift velocity is E by M into time. The I by A is equal to, that is N E into E square, capital E by M into time. But the I by A, the current acting for unit area, the current acting for unit area is called current density. That is the equation J. That is a J is a current density. That is J is equal to NE square. Tau is take inside. The electric field is take is outside. That is the M. Therefore, the relation between current density and conductivity. What is the relation in previous derivation? This is the relation between the current density and conductivity. Therefore, the J can be written as that is sigma E. Sigma E is equal to NE square tau by M into E. The both sides of a electric field get cancelled. Finally, we will get sigma is equal to NE square tau by M. This is the final equation is called, that is the expression for conductivity in terms of relaxation time, or the relations between the conductivity and relaxation time is, that is sigma is equal to NE square tau by M, time by M. M is a mass of the electron, tau that is a time, is a charge of the each electron, N is a density of each electron, sigma is the conductivity. This is the final equation of the conductivity of a material medium. Okay, this is the expression. Okay, thank you. Continue to our next class.